Morning, guys. Just now I have woke up and I shoot this video. So today I'll shoot a vlog video. So that's why I shoot this video. So my daily routine today I'll try to shoot. Okay. So keep on watching the video. So guys, now we are at the bottom of our village. As you can see, there are lots of boys. You can see there are lot of people, and this is our village. This is our village. We are in our village right now. Right now, from the bottom of our village, now I am going to my house. This is my house. I hope you can see this. This is my house. This is the main gate of our house. I have entered my house. This is my living room. As you can see, this is my living room. Already I entered in the room. As you can see, early in the morning I want to sit to read, because early in the morning every day I read for some times. So right now I am going to read. So I have already sat down to read with my cardboard. As you can see, I want to read the Xerox copy because I wrote some sentences and I want to read the sentences. So let's start reading. Just now I have finished my reading. I have kept my cardboard here, and I want to go to out of my house for sometimes to walk. Okay, because just for 15 minutes I have read right now, and I want to go to visit out of my house, because as you can see I am in my reading room. So let's go out. So guys, just I have come out of my house. You can see. So viewers, now I will go to take a bath. Before taking a bath, I want to clean this room. I want to wash this room. As you can see, I will wash the floor. So after washing the floor, I will take a bath. So keep on watching how I will wash the floor. I will show you. Just keep on watching, and also I will show you how I am taking a bath. My room cleaning is finished. Now I am going to take a bath. So let's go. Now I will wash my clothes. After washing my clothes, I will take a bath. As you can see, this is my clothes. Already I have deep have taken my bath now. Now I am free. Just I will wear my clothes. Okay. Sorry for that. I am not able to show you my bath. Okay. Sorry for that. Already I have washed my clothes and taken a bath.